Hey guys, welcome back to Talky. I'm Jane, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful and fascinating words in English, take. We use it everywhere. We take a bus, take a break, take a picture, even take a nap. It's one of those verbs that show up in every part of our day. But things get really interesting when take teams up with little words like off, over, up, and after. That's when we get phrasal verbs, and that's where English starts to get fun. Some of these you probably already know, but I promise a few will surprise you. So let's see how many you can actually use like a native speaker. Before we jump in, if you're enjoying these lessons, please like this video and hit subscribe, and it really helps the channel grow and keeps the lessons coming. All right, ready? Let's take off. The first phrasal verb is literally about planes leaving the ground, but it also means something that becomes successful really fast. When we say a plane takes off, we mean it leaves the ground and starts to fly. But it can also mean when something becomes very successful very quickly, like when a new YouTube channel suddenly takes off, or her small bakery really took off after people started posting about it online. Everyone wanted her cakes.
But when your father's company took off,
You have any idea how many planes take off and land every day?
Our next phrasal verb is take over. It means to get control of something, to become the person in charge. For example, when the old manager retired, Sarah took over the company. Or imagine the robots taking over the world. Let's hope they're friendly. You can also use take over when one person replaces another in a task or situation. For example, if you're driving and get tired, your friend can take over the wheel.
In business, take over often means one company gains control of another.
For instance, a big tech firm might take over a smaller startup to get its new ideas.
who's going to take over the world when I die?
You will then take over driving of the truck.
Always promised him I'd take over the family business, keep the old girl flying.
Our next phrasal verb is take after. We use it when someone looks like or behaves like a family member. For example, she takes after her dad, they both love coffee and bad jokes. Or he takes after his grandmother, always so kind and patient. Remember, take after isn't about copying someone. It's about naturally being like them.
You might say, I take after my mom in being creative, or he takes after his dad in never giving up.
I wonder who I take after.
And that is, you may just take after your mother.
All right, now let's take up another one. Take up means to start doing a new activity or hobby, something that adds a little excitement to your life. For example, you can take up painting, yoga, or even learning English. It's about starting something new that helps you grow. You can also take up something more abstract, like taking up a challenge or taking up an opportunity to grow your career. Last year, I decided to take up cooking. And honestly, my first few dishes were disasters. But after a while, I started to enjoy it. And now my friends actually ask for seconds.
He said take up a hobby.
No, maybe I'll take up cooking.
All right, our next one is take in. We use it when we talk about really understanding something or noticing all the little details around us. You might say, it was such a beautiful view, I just stood there taking it all in. Or after a difficult lecture, you could say, that was a lot to take in. We also use take in when something is hard to accept or believe.
For example, when I heard the news, it took me a while to take it all in. It means your mind needs time to process what happened.
Sometimes we just need a moment to take everything in, like when you finish a long trip or achieve something big. You pause, breathe, and realize, wow, I actually did it.
Oh, it was a lot for you to take in last night.
It is a lot to take in.
Look, Doc, I know this is a lot for you to take in, but we're running out of time here.
Our next phrasal verb is take back. It means to return something you bought or to admit that something you said wasn't quite right. For example, if you buy a pair of shoes and they don't fit, you can take them back to the store for a refund. But take back also means to admit that something you said was wrong. For instance, if you say something mean to a friend, later you might say, "Hey, I take that back."
I once told my friend she couldn't keep plants alive, and then she showed me her jungle of houseplants. I had to take that back immediately.
We can also use take back in emotional situations, like saying something in anger and later realizing you regret it. You might wish you could take back your words.
You're practically married to Svetlana, so I don't want to say anything now that I can't take back later if you're just going to go home and make up.
Again, I'm going to take back some of the things I said about you.
Our next phrasal verb is take out on. It means to express your anger or frustration towards someone who didn't cause it. For example, if you had a bad day at work and you yell at your friend, you're taking your frustration out on them, and that's not fair. I used to take things out on people when I was stressed, like snapping at my friends for no reason. But then I learned to take a deep breath instead. So remember, don't take your anger out on people you care about. Step away, calm down, and come back with kindness.
Any artistic frustration I have now, I just take out on them.
I still have a lot of things to take out on you from my childhood.
And our final phrasal verb is take it easy. It's something we say when we want someone to relax, calm down, or not worry too much. For example, if your friend is stressed about work, you might say, "Hey, take it easy." Or if someone's leaving, you can say, "Bye, take it easy." It's casual, friendly, and super common. I used to take everything so seriously: work, deadlines, even traffic. But now I remind myself every morning to take it easy, and things just feel lighter. So remember, life's easier when you take it easy.
If you all think that I'm going to take it easy on you just because it is the last class...
Hey, you take it easy on us, okay?
Take it easy. Life gives us so many things to take. We take off chasing our dreams, and we take over the challenges that come our way. We take in the lessons life gives us, and we take back our mistakes when we grow. And sometimes we just need to take it easy. English isn't just about words, it's about how we live them. So whatever you're going through right now, slow down, breathe, smile, and take it easy on yourself. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't just take notes. Take a second to like, subscribe, and share it. I'll see you next time, same place, same good vibes, right here on Talky.
Thanks for watching.